Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get new Discord profile tag for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Discord application from your computer or your mobile phone, and you're going to go to the Discord server. You can select discover here, and you're going to search for guild tag list. Okay, and there will be a lot of servers for you, and you just need to choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then we can join the server. I'm going to click on the join server and click on reload. Okay, wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and here we need to go to this menu, the channels, and you can choose one of the channel here because we can only get the tag with joining a channel. Okay, for example, I'm going to join this channel. I'm going to select join here. Okay, and I'm going to join the server. Okay, and after we joined a channel, we can go to our setting, and then we're going to go to profile and scroll down until we find the server tag. This menu can only appear when you have joined a tag list channel or server. And then I'm going to click on select. As you can see, I have two tags here that I can choose, and for example, I'm going to choose this tag and then click on save changes, and the tag will be added to our profile. As you can see, now I have this tag on my profile. I'm going to close it and I'm going to check it here. Okay, this is my first tag. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get new Discord profile tag for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.